Hi guys. What's up guys, it's Denny and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a Amazon haul for you guys, and this is gonna be my June Amazon haul. I order stuff from Amazon all the time because I always need something, and now that I have Prime now, you know, I didn't have Prime before, but now I got it. I just been ordering crazy. So I wanted to make a video and show you guys what I got. If I remember, I got like 4 different things, and the things that I got are mostly hair related and beauty related, and then I have one thing that's just random. Some of these things I've seen on TikTok, and then some of them I just wanted and I just never got enough. So yes, so I have 2 different packages. One package came yesterday and I thought that was all my stuff, but apparently I was wrong. Because I just got a notification of another package which I went and got before I started the video. So let's get into it. So this is the first package. Let's open her up. Ooh. And yes, I spray all my packages down with oil. Alright, so the first thing I received are these professional hair clips. That's what they're called, professional hair clips. I think I paid like $6 for these, and the reason why I got these is because, as you can see, I have natural hair, and when I'm sectioning my hair or doing sorts of, you know, all that, y'all know, if you got natural hair, you know, and I just needed something to kind of separate them, and I've never had any clips like this, and I wanted to try them, so I got these. They were only like $6, so for me that's not bad at all. So that was the only thing that was in that package. So let's open up this next one. Ooh. No, I hate trying to open up packages, but I really wanted to just open them on camera with you guys. Okay, so the next thing I got is this little thing, and if I remember, I'm going to insert a picture here so you can see what it looks like. So this is basically like a little tray that you can put like beside your bed, like on your nightstand, or just somewhere in your house, in your living room, and it's kind of just to collect everything, so like your keys, your wallet, and all that stuff. And I really wanted to get one of these because my nightstand is a mess. Like I have like all of my like everyday jewelry that I wear over there, and it's just kind of over there, and I think this would be really cute to just sit on the nightstand and put a little stuff in it. So I'm excited for this, and like I said, I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see what it's like. I think you just clamp. It has like these little clamps, and you just clamp them, and it kind of makes like a tray. And I think this was $8 or $9, which I seen this on TikTok, so that's why I got it. And the one that I seen on TikTok was marble, and I could not find a marble one, but I love pink, so I got this one instead. Alright, so the next thing I got, guys, super excited about this, is my magnetic false eyelashes. So it came in a box like this, and I'm excited, y'all, because if you've seen my video where I was trying on lashes, this was like 3 years ago, so go back and look at that, and it was an absolute fail. And ever since that day, I've tried one more time to put lashes on, and I just can't get it. So I'm hoping that these magnetic lashes are easier for me to put on. I just randomly went to Amazon and typed in magnetic lashes, and the lashes are supposed to come with 2 sets of lashes, I think, and a pair of like tweezers type thing, and then the eyeliner for the lashes. So let's open her up. Ooh, pretty. And I'm trying to see what this company is called. I don't know, but I will be doing a video on these lashes, so I'm not gonna kind of open it up, but this is what it looks like and what it comes with. So you have the lashes in here, the little clamp tweezer things, and then the eyeliner. So if you don't know what magnetic lashes are, they're supposed to like, think about like a magnet basically, and you're supposed to put the eyeliner on, and then the the lashes are supposed to like stick to the eyeliner and kind of go on like that. So we'll see, but I am going to do a separate video for you guys trying these out, and hopefully I have some success. But this is the thing that I was most excited for in this package. So yeah, and these were only, I think, $12. And like I said, I just picked random ones from Amazon, so I'm gonna see how those are. Alright guys, and then the last thing that I purchased is a new spray bottle. Okay, so this spray bottle apparently is like the best of the spray bottles. I know a couple people that have these spray bottles, and they're just supposed to kind of, you know, like give out more water than like the little travel size ones. I have like a little travel size one, and I need to, you know, upgrade. So I bought this, and this was, I think, $10. I think. So this is the packaging, and I got mine in white. And I didn't get one of the bigger ones. I got smaller ones, but they have one that's big, one that's bigger than this. Let's take her out. Ooh, it's so pretty, guys. I'm so excited to use this. I actually just washed my hair before I did this video, and this would have came in handy. But it'll be ready to go for my next wash day, or my day where I need to put a little moisture in that hair. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I need a new spray bottle. If you've seen my spray bottle now, you're probably like, girl, get it together. Like, I've had that same spray bottle for like 2 years at this point. So yeah, so those are the 4 things that I got from Amazon this time around. I don't know when I'm gonna be making another order. It's probably not gonna be this month, but definitely next month. I'm always finding random things on Amazon and, you know, on TikTok, and I just have to buy them because like TikTok is just if you watch TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it's always these Amazon find videos, and I just get pulled in every time. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you have any of these products, if you tried any of these products. Like I said, I am going to do a separate video for the lashes to show you guys how those work. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I'm going to be dropping videos after video, okay? But you guys have to comment and subscribe and watch so I can, you know, have more content for you guys. And comment down below some videos that you want to see from me, and I'm going to make sure I link all these items below for you guys to check out yourself. So yes, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.